there. What really touched us is the statistics that were given, which has exhibited that since the coming in of the Second Republic, heavily led by Dr. Emerson and the activities that take place here related to the trade and economic development of Zimbabwe has quadrupled. And this is a clear sign that our president is guiding our country in the right direction. The issues that need to be obviously attended to are the issues of the smooth flow and movement of traffic and cargo from here into the hinterland. You will notice that the Beira corridor is the fastest, smoothest and safest route from the sea to the hinterland. And what is only left for us as a country is to make sure the border, which the president has sanctioned to get improved and revamped, the Fox border post and the Nachibanda border post. Once that has been put in place and sorted out, I can tell you the economy of Zimbabwe, together with Mozambique itself, will continue to spiral. It is very also encouraging to notice and change the relationship between Zimbabwe and Mozambique, which has continued to grow from strength to strength. This has helped other countries yonder from Zimbabwe, because as long as we remain united and remain one people, the sky is the limit.
We always get more ago we did around 200,000 TEUs, but nowadays we have many more cranes. We at the moment have 4 gantry cranes. We have capacity for storing around 10,000 containers here in the yard. But to continue growing, we will continue to invest. We're anxiously awaiting arrival of new and bigger cranes in about 1.5 years from now, so that we will have 6 of them that can handle even bigger vessels. We'll be able to handle vessels that can bring 10,000 containers at once. At the same time, we're expanding also our yard so that we can store also more containers. Construction for that is in progress. And very important is also systems. It's not always equipment and infrastructure, but it's very important to modernize and make things digital so that we can do things more efficiently. Coronel Mozambique has been investing in third-party systems already for years, but now is also developing its own systems with local programmers that have proven to be very efficient in adapting to local circumstances. The way we have to operate here is not always exactly the same as it might be in China or in Europe or in the United States, so it's important that we also develop here locally. And we're pleased to say that our systems that we're developing can compete with the best in the world, but adapted to our local circumstances. So with that strategy, we can expect to grow further over the next couple of years and continue serving the Zimbabwean market, which is very important to us.
And in terms of percentage, what's the increase in volumes of
last year we grew on our container terminal close to 30% in volumes, which was a massive jump. And in general cargo terminal we grew around 15%. This year we expect a more modest growth. Up till now volumes are up, and we're looking at another 10-15% growth this year.
And from Zimbabwe, what are the volumes?
From Zimbabwe, the volumes are also very encouraging. On the import side, we've seen more importers and more importers using the port of Beira. So last year we did around 70,000 containers into Zimbabwe. And on the export side, we see a boom happening. We have a lot of the various lithium products that are now flowing through the port of Beira, like petalite and spodumene. But also traditional commodities like chrome and ferrochrome are big, and also products like granite and agricultural products like tea, like tobaccos and cotton. These kind of products are still important products for coming from Zimbabwe and flowing through the port.
And what's your comment on the upgrading of Forbes in Nachibanda port?
It's very much needed. A port, we can continue investing here in the port in upgrading our capacity, but if the border and the roads linking the borders can't handle the capacity, it's going to be constrained, which it is already at the moment. So we do hope that, that improvements will come in making the border bigger and more efficient. It's very important for trade facilitation and to be able to sustain the growth that we've experienced and expect to continue to experience. My name is Jan de Vries. I am the CEO of Cornelden in Mozambique, and we manage in the port of Beira the container terminal and the general cargo.